Unlocking the secret to flavor, quality ingredients. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an essential concept in the culinary world that also holds great value in everyday life: quality ingredients. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your vocabulary but also enriches your appreciation for good food and healthy living. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together and discover what makes quality ingredients a key to exceptional dishes and overall wellness. When we talk about quality ingredients, we're referring to the raw materials used in cooking that are of the highest standard. These are the fruits, vegetables, meats, grains, and other food items that stand out due to their freshness, purity, and nutritional value. Quality ingredients are typically sourced from reputable suppliers or grown with care and attention to detail, ensuring they are free from harmful chemicals and rich in flavor. They are the foundation of any good dish, providing not just taste but also health benefits to the consumer. The importance of quality ingredients cannot be overstated. They are crucial for several reasons. Flavor. High-quality ingredients are the secret behind the rich and authentic flavors of your favorite dishes. They ensure that the food tastes as it should, bringing out the best possible flavor profile. Nutrition. Foods that are considered to be of high quality are often more nutrient-dense, offering more vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds than their lower-quality counterparts. Safety. Quality ingredients are usually safer to consume. They are less likely to contain harmful pesticides, additives, or contaminants that can pose health risks. Environmental impact. Opting for quality ingredients often means supporting sustainable farming and production practices, which have a lesser impact on the environment. How can you tell if an ingredient is of high quality? Here are a few tips. Appearance. Look for vibrant colors and fresh appearance in fruits and vegetables. Quality meats should have a good color and texture. Source. Know where your food comes from. Locally sourced and organically grown products are often of higher quality. Labels. Read labels carefully. Terms like organic, free-range, and non-GMO can indicate a higher quality product, but be aware of marketing tactics. Taste. Whenever possible, taste the ingredient. High-quality items usually have a more distinct and pleasing flavor. In conclusion, quality ingredients are the building blocks of delicious and nutritious meals. By understanding what makes an ingredient high quality, you can make better choices that benefit your health, the environment, and your taste buds. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of quality ingredients in your culinary adventures. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! Remember, every ingredient matters in the art of cooking, and choosing the best ones will always bring your dishes to the next level. See you in our next video.